Hi, welcome to another update of FrameForge 1.1. And the FrameForge app is being updated. And here is a quick overview of how the old version 1.0 and 1.1 is looking. 1.1 is being updated to responsive as 1.1. This one is the 1.1, and as you can see, the when I resize it, the menus and option elements collapsed and not very responsive. And we have some bunch of fewer option here for the setting, and in here we have a lot of new features. Like for the quality, it is updated to the 4 presets, like from 25% to 50% and 75% and 100% for the maximum output bitrate. And also the image format, we have added the DPX for the one user preferences, and he requested that, so we have added the bit depth option for the color space and compression as well. We have 8, 16 and 32. Usually I work in 8 and 32, so that's fine. And for the target color space, you can RGB linear, and I mostly work in RGB and linear, so that one is fine. And we have added some 3 more color spaces as well for the image sequence. Remember, this is we are in the video to image sequence, and in here we have just few option. And for the HDR, I will show that I think something like HL something. I will show that later. I'm going to close this one because this one has very few options in here, and I think no one will use this one for now. So this one is his initial version of 1.0, and we have a very few option. And also, as you can see, the themes compared to in here, the light and dark, we have improved much darker, and the user requested that it should be a more darker in the inside instead of a gray white, so we have added that as well, and also the icon as well, and you can change it from in here as well. And also we have added some audio option here that will extract the audio as an mp3 from the video that you are going to convert it from to the image sequence, and also the HDR to linear EXR. If you check the EXR and 32, then the HDR will work. And also you can choose it from in here as well, the color source color space as well that your video is in. So you had to know that as well. But if you don't know that, just select from the RGB and target that you want as a target platform, so that will be converted to that specific color space. And the rest as it is, you can add videos, select parent folder as well, and etc, etc. And before going to the image sequence to video, I will show this new tab, audio tools. You can add videos and select the output folder and convert it to mp3 or wave windows or some WhatsApp audio note, voice note optimized format as well. So, and we have the quality as well for the bitrate, lossless or just 192. And extract audio, and it will all extract the audios from all the videos. And in the image sequence to video tab in here, we have added a lot of features and option in here, and you can add folders for the image sequence in here, output folder to the output as output. You can now attach audio file as well to embed in the image sequence to conform video that will be with the audio. You can apply audio to all sequence as well. If you check it, that will apply that specific audio to all the image sequence videos. Like if you added the two image sequence folder, then your output will be two videos with the audio embedded in. And also in here we have trim audio to video duration as well. So the audio will be trimmed according to your image sequence length, and that will, we have added some calculation here that will take your image sequence frames and add some calculation according to the FPS you have selected, and then trim it according to your image sequence length. So when your image sequence like videos run out, so the video will not be just blank and longer and according to the audio length. So it will be trimmed according to your video length. So hope you gets my point. And we have here as well some bunch of other option as well here. So in the codec option in here, we have added the Pro Res option in here as well. The three Apple Pro Res formats, as well as quality in here as well, and bit depth 8, 16 and 32. The 10 and 12 might not be useful for you, but according to two users, they were requested, I don't know why they requested that matrix depth, so I have added the 10 and 12 as well, but you can use the 8, 16 and 32, and if you find this useful like 10 and 12, you can use that as well. So the feature is included here. And in here we have the pixel format as well in here. So Apple format and some bunch of other AVI and etc, etc. Let me check. We have, yeah, AVI format in here. So as well the color primaries in here and the transfer in here as well in here. So, and also the color space for the target that you are working for. So RGB, and so linear is not like optimal in here from image sequence to video, so we didn't add that one as well. So we have here instead of linear, you can use the RGB one or the other ones as desired. And also, as I told you that the HDR option in MP4 like 1.0, we have added this PQ SMPTE ST 2084 version of the high dynamic range of the compression of the images. So you can enable it or disable it according to your need if you need the HDR. So if your monitor supports the high dynamic range, then you can use it, or if it doesn't support, then you can leave it unchecked in here. So, and also the HLG version here as well, so that one was added as well. These are so far the updates for the 1.1 version, and in here you can just find the about in here. Just little know about the support, color management or the format and compression types in here, and know about little bit about the here, or you can just visit the support on Patreon button and it will get back to my Patreon page and you get to know about the app more. And the window version is currently available, so you can download and test it out and use it, and if you find any bugs, then report it so I can fix that option. So far I have tested and nothing's come out, but if you find some issues or options not working or any kind of issues, you can report it in my Patreon bugs and features option. so I can fix that, or you can comment down on the app post, so I'll fix that. And Mac version will be available, I think, week and half something, or more, because currently it's development phase as well, and lots of features are implemented. But some features I'm facing some bugs and technical drawback, so that will be fixed in a week or later. And also support our membership option here as well, so that we continue to develop these awesome tools and uh, softwares and apps, so we keep development and give you the amazing tools as you desired. And thank you for watching, and that's it for all for the FrameForge version 1.1 so far.